Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel, the China Repair Studio. I thought I'd just do a quick introduction just to tell you a little bit about myself and the things I'll be covering on my videos. I have been a restorer for the last 14 years and work with private clients as well as antique dealers. I've also written a book which I had published last year, just to show you there. It's called How to Repair China and Pottery, and it's a beginner's guide. So in my tutorials what I'll be teaching you is everything from, well, the basics, the fundamentals, everything from the beginning, from using equipment, sticking, painting, colour theory and also glazing, and then the dreaded airbrush. So I hope you'll join me, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I put out a video you get notified, and I hope to see you in the first tutorial. Okay, bye and have a beautiful day.